Diego's vault.
Just all the bodies?
Yeah, all the body for my car.
Oh, nice.
Because I sold bikes.
All right, cool. Put that on the gato. I'll put that upstairs with the gato.
Yeah. And he said he gave me a tube of Honda bond to be nice.
With that nice factory type S
He
oil
gave me
pump.
2 tubes of Honda bond. Fuel rails for the Tacomas, 2 RZs and 3 RZs.
S2K seats still for sale. Pristine condition with EK rails. Oh, that rhyme. Look at me. Bars. Get them. They'll be in hibernation until you want them.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
One eternity later. 1 million zillion jillion dillion cotillion times later.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
What you mean, like the boost and the blow off?
Yeah.
I do hear like the residual. I don't know if that's. Gotcha. All right, guys, we in the BMW from hell. It's finally done.
Trunk is open.
Trunk is open. Yeah. Hold up, I got you. It is loud as hell.
Oh, yeah.
Sheesh. You feel the boost now? It feels really smooth though.
I ain't trying to get it.
I know, but I guess that's what the twins are. But sheesh, it sounds great. All right, guys, we are now in Mexico. I know it's a short drive, but we just crossed the border. I'm hip. Like, that wasn't a lot of gas, and it sounds good.
I don't know if it's like the fucking, I don't know.
Maybe like the coupler or something, but no, you'd feel it. It would add boost.
Like the air's coming out the
Out the side, yeah. It didn't come with a dump?
No, but I don't know if the way the blow off not working then, so it's like we're surging back into the turbo. You ever seen niggas run no blow off?
Yeah.
And like the only way for the turbo to release the air is through the intake of the front of the turbo.
Yes.
And that's why we're hearing it like over there, not on the.
Oh my gosh. That right there, I felt that. That second turbo hitting, oh my God. For y'all who don't know me, I'm always washing my car. And I'm super sick of the damn salt. So I gotta get off. I wash my car so much that I am probably responsible. I wash my car so much that the clear coat's peeling on the trunk. I did not have this when I first bought the car, but it's a common age issue, as you can see from my roof. So let's not blame the owner. Let's blame the manufacturer. Plus, and it's like 14, 15 degrees right now, maybe 20. I'm just sick of my car looking like this. Plus, I also need to wash that over there. This is for sale. K motor ready hatch. I'm getting ready to post this up for sale very soon. I'm not over exaggerating. Let me show y'all just how cold it is. All right here from what I just sprayed is ice. Look at that, that's ice. It already froze. I gotta move quick. I might be asking, am I gonna dry it off? Hell no. I usually dry it off with the air dryer, but the sun should do just fine. Ignore the bucket. Some of y'all may be asking again, I'm gonna dry off my car. The answer is hell no again. It's cold. Guys, when you bring your cars in, please make sure they're potty trained. This motherfucker just leaking all over on the ground. Now we gotta clean up. Make sure your cars are potty trained. Put you onto a little bit of game. This is a customer's car. It was giving us a little bit of an issue like a week or two back because we was having some harness problems. We couldn't get the fuel pump to thing. We checked the code and we're like, okay, it's a 98. It's a 98. So you know for Civics and stuff, 96, 98 is a whole different thing. 98 to 2000 is a whole different one. Apparently, if it says 12, if it's December of that year, it basically counts as a 99. So basically we were putting in a 98 jumper harness on a 99 and that's why it wasn't working. We needed a 99 to 2000 jumper harness. And now we're all good. Pissing me.
Boy.
I need to put it on follow. Sound aggressive. Yes, sir. I know he happy. Better be. We got proper contact.